Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing my test slimes and adding activated to it. So this is my Sunlight dishwashing soap test slime, and this is my shampoo test slime. So yeah, so let's open this one. So I haven't opened these. It has been in the freezer all night and it has been laying around all day. So let's see. It's so clear. I don't think you can see that, but it's so clear. Whoa. So it's clear, obviously, but I think it needs activator. Let's see what does activator do to it. Did not work. So activated didn't work. So if I put this in the freezer, I'll be back. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how it turned out. Just remind me in the comment section. So let's look at the shampoo slime. Whoa. Wow, this one is so touchable. So I only make touchable slimes, but you can't really play with them. Oh. This one you can really pick it up, but really. It's activated. See what happens. When I activate, I came from the side and then I came back again. You can really touch this. Okay. So again, I'll be back. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for a chance to get a shout out. So yeah, peace out.